Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And if you recall, well, Robin was not a part of it. John was. When we went to Dunkin Donuts, when they came out with the donut fries. If you haven't seen the video, you can click up here to watch the video. I was very disappointed with the donut fries. I was expecting something light and airy, covered in cinnamon and sugar. It was not. It was very chewy. I was very disappointed. So as I said in the video, I was going to make some of my own. And I've done that, and they are delicious. Somebody commented about I was expecting too much, or I don't know. But my thought is they are super simple to make. It's nothing difficult. I mean, they should be able to throw some in the fryer.
They're a donut shop.
Dip them in cinnamon sugar and be done. It's nothing complicated. But I think what they probably do is they probably get them in, they probably bake them to heat them up and then coat them with cinnamon sugar. That's my guess anyway. I don't know. I've heard that, but I haven't heard from Dunkin Donuts themselves. That's what they do. But that's what I assume they do. So if you want to try these are really good, but very addictive. Get yourself some Pillsbury crescent dough. Get the sheet. They sell them in the sheet. You know, they have the crescent rolls, but then they have the sheets. Get a little sugar with some cinnamon and some oil. And we're going to go over to the stove and
make some donut sticks.
Yummy donut fries. Okay, so use any vegetable oil. You don't need a very big pan to do this. I've done this before. I used a really big pan. But the thing is, you have to work kind of fast because they cook up super fast, so you can't do too many at a time anyway. So the pan doesn't have to be very big. Just pour that in there. And we'll wait for it to heat up. So while your oil is heating up, take your roll of goodness. Roll it out. I did this in half. Take this. Put this in half. Depends however long you want them, but this is more manageable, I think.
More fry-like?
Yes. Now we just gotta wait for the oil to heat up. So when you put it in, you need to make sure that it starts to do that. If it doesn't, your oil's not hot enough. So I'm just gonna do 4 at a time. Because you'll see.
Oh wow, they brown quick.
Yeah. See, then they want to flip back over, so you gotta like baby them. Just put on paper towels to. See, that one got really toasty. So
you gotta work fast.
Gotta work fast.
Work it fast, girl.
I used to be a fry cook at Applebee's. So,
oh, yes. Come on now. Those were in a basket, weren't they?
Yeah, in a basket. A little easier. I'll stay pretty well.
Oh, these are good. They cooperate. Yeah, the ones we go to. Okay, let me give it a try. See how hard it is for me. I never was a fry cook.
Oh, so I've had training. So
yeah. I have not.
Work a little faster than that.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh yeah, they do just puff right up.
Yeah, we're gonna make it at Applebee's. You gotta.
Oh jeez. All right. Yep. Oh, that one just cooperated. Okay.
Those ones are really bubbly.
Yeah. This is a lot of pressure.
No, that one should be done.
Whew. All right, I'm giving it another go.
Right.
Make me nervous.
It's like the right timing. You got it just right so they'll stay.
Oh, it's like this one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like 2 more. You gotta.
Well, I keep wanting to touch the pan. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, these can come out. Yeah, he's got to come out. In you go. I should be able to get this one, right?
You should.
Let's see.
Go now.
Go now. I can't eat them, but I sure can cook them.
Yes, this may be a little unfair of me to.
She did ask. She did ask, and I said I could handle it. I have 14 days left in my challenge, and I got this now. So,
All right.
ain't no donut gonna take me down.
So you can get a brown paper bag, you can do a bowl, whatever's easiest for you, and your cinnamon sugar, whatever mixture you like. Put them in there. Oh, look at those.
Oh, that looks amazing. Now that is what a donut fry should look like.
Yeah. See, why can't this be done at a...
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And if you wanted, you could do these in powdered sugar if you would rather.
Oh.
Loaded.
Wow. Oh.
All right.
Okie doke. How is it, Kathy?
So let's see. See the...
Oh.
Tell you what, it's not chewy.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Like...
Not pretzel-like.
No.
It's what a donut should be.
They're...
Light and airy. And
I'll try not just be sure.
yeah. Yeah.
This is what I wanted. But
So now you know. If you
I know.
want it, you just have to make it.
which is super simple. My kids said they were better than the donut fries.
Yeah.
Way better than the donut fries. They were incredible, I think my daughter said. So, donut fries at home.
Voila.
Okay, so I hope Dunkin Donuts is watching. Super simple. You would have made me very happy had you made them like this. And Robin, I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Nothing really phases me now.
But they are delicious. The kids love them.
Mm-hmm.
Robin has been instructed to make them at home now.
Yes, after. I said it won't happen for 2 more weeks, but it will happen.
But after that. So these are yummy. And John's missing out.
Yeah. You're missing out on John.
Yeah. Oh, if you have made something like this, let us know in the comments below, or if there's something that you think would work better, let us know. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day. Bye. What do you think?
Better.
Better?
Good.
Oh, well, what do you think?
I think they're a lot better. This is how they should taste.
Right.
Like nice and fluffy.
Mm-hmm. All right. Thanks.